three essential tools, three essential software that you need if you are an online arbitrage seller. No intro today. I'm still pissed off with the ungating shit from yesterday, all right? If you want to see it, watch yesterday's video, you'll understand. First tool is going to be Keepa, all right? Keepa is one of the most important tools that you need as an online arbitrage seller. If you do not know what Keepa is, you are probably a newbie in this space. What Keepa allows you to do, you know those charts that people actually share on Twitter and stuff like that when they show the price? This is what Keepa is, all right? Keepa is such a great tool and it goes beyond just analyzing prices and stuff. I have a whole lot of videos on Keepa. Not only one of the best video on the channel, one of the first video on how to actually use Keepa to analyze product. This is a video that a lot of people actually liked and that actually helped a lot of people. So I'll link it here if I forgot. Once again, let me know in the comments to Keepa video. And also there's also the Keepa product finder. And to be honest, if I'm being 100% honest, if you want to run your business extremely lean, meaning without too many subscriptions and stuff like that, you could potentially use just Keepa. They do not have an affiliate program. I don't think I have a link. If I do, I'll leave it in the comment. If I don't, just go to keepa.com, keepa.com. Best tool, must-have tool for every single Amazon seller. It does not matter which business model you are doing. You can sell books, you can do retail arbitrage, you can do online arbitrage, you can do private labeling. It could be helpful, not as much as if you do wholesale as well. So it's going to be super helpful, especially for every single model except private labeling. I guess you could use it for private labeling to see your competitors' price and to track stuff. But like Keepa is one of the most important tools that you are going to need. And if you want to ask me if you should pay for the paid version, yes, asshole, just pay the $20. It's not expensive. You're gonna have so much more data. You do not have a lot of data like the buy box. I don't think you have the buy box line on the free version. Just pay the $20. If there's one software that you need to have for your Amazon business, it does not matter if you're doing online arbitrage, all that stuff, Keepa. Once again, I have a whole lot of videos on how to use Keepa and doing a presentation of the software and going over every single tab of the tool. Watch them. If I do not link them, you can even put in the search bar, Chris Mangunza, Keepa. You're gonna find those videos, all right? So this is the first software that you should get, that one of the most essential software for online arbitrage seller. Second software is going to be BeCool, the repricer. What is a repricer? Same thing, I have a whole lot of videos on BeCool. We have new videos coming on BeCool as well. And if you want 14 free days, I believe it's 14 days. I may be wrong. Link in the comments, 14 days to try BeCool. It's an affiliate link, it's helping the channel if you want to help the channel. But BeCool is one of those tools that I consider essential because yes, you can change your price, you can reprice your items yourself, but what BeCool is doing is that they are repricing, they are changing the price based by looking at the competition to make sure that you actually win the buy box. If you do not know what the buy box is, I have a whole lot of videos on that as well, and how to actually win the buy box. But BeCool, it does not make sense. This is one of the first things that you should actually start outsourcing, and you can actually outsource it to a software which is super cheap, all right? BeCool do not have a huge paywall. It's just $25. Just pay your membership. Get the repricer to actually change to change your price for you dynamically. They're going to do it. If you have the $25 version, they're going to do it every 15 minutes. If you have the $100 plan, it's almost instant, so it's as fast as Amazon allows. But it's going to not only free up a lot of your time, because if you change your price manually, not only you're going to get beaten by the guys that are actually doing that actually have a repricer, because whenever you are going to change the price, they are going to undercut you, all right? And you're not going to get the buy box anyway. So not only that, especially if you're a new seller, not only that, but you know, you're going to save a lot of time and you're going to win the buy box way more, and you're going to have way more sales at higher price, because your repricer can also not only reprice down but reprice up. And with all the rules, all the repricing rules that are actually created for you guys in another video, watch the video. It's called Chris Mangunza BeCool. Here's my repricing rules, stuff like that. If you look for Chris Mangunza BeCool, you'll find it in a search, all right? But Be Cool is one of those essential software. Do not be cheap. $25. It's going to be $20 for Keepa, $25 for Be Cool, $45. If your business is making, your business should make at least $100 profit a month. If you don't make $100 of profit in your first few months, something is wrong. Book a call with me, I guess, because yes, link in the description. If you need a mentor, if you need someone to actually help you build a plan to actually scale your business, to avoid the mistakes that beginners do, link in the description. Book a call with me. But yeah, Be Cool. Not expensive, not a big paywall like other repricer that people may say are more powerful, but Be Cool just came up with some new stuff with a video coming soon on the channel about this. There are new AI repricing rules that I'm going to check as well. But yeah, second tool that you should get that is essential as an online arbitrage seller, and not only online arbitrage, but it doesn't matter if it's retail arbitrage, if you are selling book, it's going to be Be Cool. And once again, if you want 14 days, link in the description, all right? Third tool, and this is a tool that has been growing on me more and more these last few months, that I've been using more and more. And I said already to you guys that I do not even log in to the Amazon Seller Central to check my sales daily. What I do is that I use Seller Board, all right? And it's not just a tool where you can actually see your sales, but not only, first of all, for Seller Board, the interface is actually way better than Seller Central, I believe, when you want to look at your sales on your phone, because you can actually see what products you sold for the day and in which quantity. So for example, you know that if you are on the Amazon Seller Central app, you have 30 sales of the same item. It's going to be actually hard to actually figure out how many you sold, all right? You're going to need to count and stuff. It's way easier to do on Seller Board. Not only that, but for your profits and stuff like that, to make sure that the profit is right, to know all your numbers, Seller Board is a great tool to actually analyze your numbers, all right? Because you can enter the cost for every single item that you have. You can get your VA to do this, by the way. And it's a super easy tool to use. I used to use Inventory Lab to do this, but I am now using Inventory Lab with my new prep center. But when I was not using Inventory Lab anymore, if I could have used Seller Board only and cut off Inventory Lab. The only thing is that Inventory Lab has, what is it called? They do have, I forgot what it's called. You can link Inventory Lab with Be Cool, and when you link them, you do not have to enter your price manually on Be Cool. They will import your price from Be Cool automatically, and so it's way easier to because it's way less work. But if in the future you can do this with Seller Board, and I should talk to the guys from Be Cool to see if this is something that they can potentially integrate. Here's the word: integration. This is something that I should talk about with the guys at Be Cool to see if this is something that they can do, and because they listen to you guys. This is a great thing with Be Cool, and that was the tool number 2. But as I was saying, Seller Board is a tool that has been growing on me because you can actually see easily your sales velocity. You can pretty much figure out, it's a tool that actually can help you with your inventory turnover, figure out your inventory turnover, and figure out how much of an item you can actually purchase. I'll make a full video on Seller Board when I get back to the US, when I can record with my PC and stuff, so I can show you inside the tool, because this is a tool that I haven't made a video on. If I can get a demo account to show you exactly how I use Seller Board, it would be easier, because of course you're not going to see all my ASINs and stuff like that, so it's going to be easier if I can actually get a demo account. But yeah, Seller Board is a tool that I basically use every single day right now, because not only, as I said, you can see your sales, but like you are going to see some items that you forgot that actually have the potential to be replenished, because it's going to tell you that this item sells super fast, and so you can reorder them. So it can help you never run out of inventory, which is a super important thing if you want to win the buy box on those ASINs, all right? You can forecast your inventory, forecast your sales, and pretty much figure out how many items you need to order based on past sales data, all right? If you want to know about the future, you need to dive into the past. Best way to do it is with Seller Board, all right? So these are the 3 tools that I believe are essential for online arbitrage sellers, for Amazon sellers, because it is going to apply to every single business model, most of them. Now, honorable mention to tactical arbitrage, because I always say that tactical arbitrage, if I were to start again, it would be one of the first tools that I would get, because you just learn super fast with tactical arbitrage. And yeah, even if it's expensive, I believe it's worth it. And if you have the money, you should get it. Inventory Lab, honorable mention. It's just that they piss me off a little bit because it's a little bit expensive and decrease the price, in my opinion. It's not worth what it is today. It's just the only reason I'm using it is because of the integration with Be Cool. But yeah, honorable mention to Inventory Lab as well. Honorable mention to Ace in Gadget, whatever. Tactical Expander as well. I'll see you guys tomorrow because I release a new video every single day. I hope you liked this one and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new video once again. Thank you for watching.